Namaste. In the series of Miracles of Urine Therapy, I have with me Mr. Vishwaradhyar.
Namaste.
Yeah, he's from Bangalore. Okay, he's of his age is 49. He's a basically IT engineer, and he suffered from a ischemic heart disease in 2021, and he went through angioplasty, and later on still the high cholesterol lipids were very high, and he came to know about urine therapy, and he has been there since last 10 days with us. So let us talk to him. Okay, I would like to know about your experience about urine therapy.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So from past 1.5 year, I started taking this allopathy tablet. Then
Okay.
I approached one of the doctor, same doctor. So they said you need to take lifelong. Then I decided why you need to take this lifelong and 100% it will give side effect.
Yeah.
So then I approached few doctors, but
You after the angioplasty.
angioplasty.
Yeah.
Okay, I approached.
How many blockages were there?
In one artery
It was
blocked actually.
Okay.
So then after angioplasty,
Yeah.
and 1 year later,
Yeah.
I started approaching different doctors like homeopathy and Ayurveda.
Yeah.
And one of the Ayurveda doctor, her name is Jyoti Nair from Bangalore.
Yeah.
She suggested, so instead of giving treatment from Ayurveda, you go for permanent solution.
Okay.
Then she gave Dr. Sagar Patil, your brother's number.
Sarang Patil.
Yeah, Sarang. Then I called and I asked actually. He told about urine therapy.
Yeah.
Okay, then suddenly I started thinking why should.
Yeah.
Then to understand that one only, I took 2 months. Again I called to Sarang sir. Then he told, this is not a mandatory, you can come now. Then okay, it is not a mandatory. Then I came, and after coming here in one of the first class, you took me, and I was in dilemma mode. Why should I drink? Any other option is there? Like I was thinking in that 2 to 4
That means
class.
initially you had so much of disgusting feeling about urine
Why
therapy.
should I?
Yeah.
It was
Okay.
concern.
Yeah.
Then in the same first day class, so you ask for few people. One guy told from 8 days I'm fasting based on this one only. Everybody started telling. Then I was thinking, anyway, I came from there to here. I am spending my 10 days time and money and everything. But I needed 100% treatment instead of going for allopathy tablets.
Yeah.
So then I decided mentally I prepared on that day.
Okay.
So I managed one time, and next day morning, so in the next second day, I had more than 10 times.
Okay.
Confidence and happily, because I needed treatment, 100% treatment.
Yeah.
Without any medicines.
Yes.
So
Yes.
in that way, I started my journey.
Yeah.
Today is my 10th day actually.
Yeah.
In 10th day, 7 day I did a fasting.
7 days you are only on urine and water.
Yes.
Yeah.
In 7 day, in my life I never tried for even for single day.
Yeah.
7 day I was fully energetically. First, second day I faced little problem, but later, okay,
Yeah.
full 7 day fully energetic.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that way I am really very much thankful to you, sir, and for Ananda Kunja. So this urine therapy we need to spread across the world, so people should not suffer. Okay, for different diseases.
Yeah.
That is my intention. So,
as a IT engineer, you were you go through so many stressful situations.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to work harder. You work on computers for a longer time.
Yes, sir.
So
we need to extend the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to
Yeah.
support on
Yeah.
weekend also.
So you stayed here 10 days.
Yes.
You went through so many relaxation techniques
Yes.
and pranayama techniques.
Massage.
What was your experience?
Yeah. So in 10 days I carry my laptop also, but
Yeah.
I never open
Yeah.
for office purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 hour, 2 hour just I used to open for my ticket
Yeah.
booking purpose, other purpose actually.
Yeah.
But in morning at 5 o'clock I used to get up, and so weather is very amazing. It is in a hill station. So I used to walk half an hour after Shivambu.
Yeah.
And in 1 hour I used to walk, and 6 o'clock I used to go for yoga class. Okay, 6 to 7. It was very, all postures, means whatever you are teaching, all are really useful actually. Even I did my MS yoga. So then I'm comparing whether the postures are sequence or not. All postures are very sequentially because back bending and front bending,
Yeah.
the sequence should match actually.
Yeah.
Everything is matching actually.
Yeah.
And in afternoon, so 2 to 4, generally people they will sleep.
Yeah.
But that to avoid that one, you properly you made it at pranayama and the MSR other techniques actually.
Yeah.
So that is one also very good thing. And second thing is massaging also. That is also very much important. Massaging, mud bath, and steam bath.
Yeah.
So it will give relaxation to body actually.
You got tuned with these 5 great elements.
Yes, yes. Panchabhuta.
Pancha this.
Okay, I got this
Yeah.
opportunity.
Yeah.
So in future also, at least whenever if I get time, at least 5 days or 10 days. So instead of going for vacation, I can come down here and I can like how we are giving service to our car and bike. So like that can service our body.
So in computer language, that means you are rebooted yourself.
Yeah, like formatted and
Formatted also. Yes.
One second like that I can say.
Yeah. Detox your body and formatted your mind.
Yes, yes, correct.
Very nice. Very
So
nice.
this way it went
Yeah.
well. So
Yeah.
especially this is in hilly area, outskirts of Kolhapur.
Yeah.
So there is no factories here surrounding.
Yeah.
So it is like a Ooty, more the better than Ooty actually.
Okay.
So in that way, I'm very.
So all in all, you enjoyed them.
Really enjoyed actually. I'm very much happy. Actually.
Yes. So in further life, you need not to go for any bypass surgery or any.
Never.
You got the road.
Yeah, I got the road actually. Only thing is now I need to reduce my cholesterol. If it
Yes.
is going to reduce means then 100% I'll be healthy lifelong. I am not going to take any tablet.
Yes.
I'm not going to approach any doctors. That is
Yes.
my.
It is going, certainly it is going to happen because you did this 7 days, 8 days fasting and this 10 days penance certainly is going to work.
Correct.
I believe. Very good. On behalf of all viewers, let us wish him a good health, happy life. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much.